Howdy guys, I'm AutoEdits Jason, and I'm about to take you on a walk around, a one-take walk around with this 2021 Ford Bronco four-door. This one is an Outer Banks edition with the Sasquatch package, and the Sasquatch package simply means the 35-inch tires with the wider fender flares and all of the things, the underpinnings that go with that to make those fit, a little bit of lift. This one has the 2.7 liter V6 with the twin turbo. Smooth, enough power that you don't, it's definitely more than what my JK has with the 3.6. And so the thing is actually fantastic. Now, the thing that I've learned is there's a lot of technology in these things. And so once I learned to stop fighting that, this thing was actually a lot of fun here in the park. Now, once we started wheeling, it was learning how inside here. Let's go inside. You guys can get a visual of these things. They're stunning looking. Ford actually did a fantastic job. They look great. So here, come on inside. You can come check this out. Look at this. I love this. Ta-da. There's a ton of really great features. Now this has the cloth seats in here, not even the marine grade vinyl. This has the cloth seats. It's just a really wonderful place to be. This one right here has the grab handles. We have another one out here. We have a two-door, so keep checking the channel for more content. I do a walk around on the red two-door that we have here that has the grabber blue inserts. This one doesn't, but this one has what's called the Luxe package. So it has the bigger screen. So let's turn this thing on. And so you have the bigger touch screen with a little bit more accessories there. Now this one being the Outer Banks, it has front and rear locker, the turn assist, and the traction control up here on the hero buttons. I think they have a sway bar disconnect here. Then that works in the Badlands, and I think the one higher up from that one, they'll have that button active. This one doesn't have that. I'm just going to turn this off. Thank you very much. So the feel, the tactile feel. Let's talk about the steering wheel while we're inside here before we actually get out. The steering wheel is very sporty. It's a great wheel. It's got like kind of the knobbies right here for when you're getting rad out in the dirt, and the nice, this is the leather wrap one because it has a Luxe package inside here. It's just a nice piece. So there's so many good appointments in here that right out of the gate, I think this is definitely a home run in the, if you like the layout, you're gonna like this thing. It feels right, it's got the right things in the right spots. Now this one is fitted with a best top Sunrider. That's the whole point of the shoot that I'm out here in Michigan on. I'm out here with Best Top and the Baja Designs guys, and if you'll notice out front here, let's take you out here. You'll see some Baja Designs radness up here. That's one of their big light bars and some of this stuff down here. Now this shoot is actually just a product shoot. They have to, like, once they get a hold of these vehicles, they get a few minutes with them, we take them out, they shoot their products. They invited me out to be able to come look and spend some time and wheel with them. Let me show you inside the back here. So the only thing in the back of this one right now is my junk. That's my camera bag and my little tripod. But this is with the seats down. And I guess the only real feature that you should pay attention to with the seats down is that they don't fold flat like in the JK. There is an actual 4-inch rise here to this. So if you were gonna camp out of the back of this thing, which is something that I would think of, that's a real thing. You'd have to figure out, or I'm sure somebody will come up with a pad that equalizes that for you. So you can kind of get an idea here. Check this out. So the doors open, and when you take the doors off, you just literally have this chunk right here that fits into the back on the 4 doors. The 2 doors, their doors are so big they don't fit in the back. And you can see the mirrors are mounted separate, so they move separately from the doors. So you can take your doors off and still have your stock mirrors. Have to see what they're shooting. I don't want to get in the way because they're trying to shoot another car over there. But let me bring you in the back here. This is one of the Best Top products that they're taking some photos of. It's a spare tire carrier. There's some Baja Design lights back here. So let me show you in the bed or in the back of this thing. So the door opens, has a little ram here. Now, if you notice, the door opens a little past 90 degrees. It's kind of handy. And then, so this gives you an idea of what the back of this looks like. You can kind of get an idea. Here's some of the pillars, the roll sport cage, speakers here. Now, if you notice, there's no bar across there like in the JK. So that's another little bit of a difference there, that the JK has right here their sound bar and this one doesn't. This whole panel comes out on this one. Now tomorrow we're actually going to be looking at this with, we're going to be putting a Trek top on there. Let's talk about these windows really quick. So this is a frameless window, so the glass goes all the way up to the seal here. So what happens is when you pop the door open, the glass will roll down about ½ an inch, and then as you close the door, the glass goes back up, and that's how that seals correctly and doesn't prematurely wear the seal out. And so all the doors do that on this thing. So there you go, there's a quick walk around of a 4-door 2021 Ford Bronco. And do I love this thing? Yeah, this is the one I've been choosing to drive most. We have a 2-door out here as well. Stay tuned for more videos of that to come. And so you can kind of get a feel of what you think. I mean, chime off in the comments and let me know what you guys think. I'm digging the 4-door. I think this would fit very nicely into us JKU's type of people lifestyle. It's a really nice rig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, enjoy your drive.